Few icicles on there, right? Can you hear the neighbor's rooster?
Huh?
You can hear the neighbor's rooster over there?
Yeah. So what we're doing in 2022, so we're going to finish all the trim, windows, doors. And once the summer rolls around, we can glue. I'm going to glue acoustic tiles and 2x4 acoustic tiles on the roof, and then put battens on. And then we're going to decide whether we're going to put wainscoting with pallet boards, vertical pallet boards all the way around. We're thinking of doing that, or we're thinking of painting it, whitewashing the aspenite or the chipboard. Just get a little bit more light inside it, paint the door, and
Yeah, the door's kind of dingy looking.
yeah, and then we got a lot of trim work that needs to be done too. So, and this week coming up, that's what we're going to start doing. We're going to trim in some doors, trim in some windows, trim in the shelves. I got a bunch of trim pieces and pallet boards that we sledded in today.
That's what you did in that other video where you were
Yep.
cutting them up.
Yep, we brought them up, so we got enough supplies to keep us busy for a couple weeks. And
So hopefully that'll take us to February.
yeah, this spring we're going to build a pallet shed at Philip's place. That's going to be our project. We're compiling a bunch of pallets and materials right now, and it's going to be his workshop plus in the fall when we process the deer and the moose, we're going to have it all set up so we can do that, and that'll give Philip something to work on as well, work in. So
Yeah, because he doesn't have a garage.
he doesn't have a garage. He's got a couple little sheds, but this will, we're going to make it about 10 by 10. It'll be big enough to be a little workshop, and it'll be a good processing shed.
And you're going to put double doors on it?
Yeah, we're going to put double doors, and we're going to put a overhead beam that we can slide the animals in and out when we process them.
That's a good idea.
And that'll keep us busy for most of the year.